Hello, friends. Welcome to Monday Pause. I'm Fern with Fern Yoga and Wellness, and today I'm coming to you from Hampstead, London. Hampstead Heath is just behind me, and for the past few days, I've just been hiking through the heath for several hours a day, enjoying nature. Oh, it's just so beautiful, and I've had really nice weather during the day. There have been some spots of rain, but totally fine. I've been able to enjoy the outdoors, doing the hikes, enjoying the views from up here. Every once in a while, I will just sit on a bench and just think or meditate or visualize, or just sit and listen to the rustling of the trees and the birds singing. It's been really restful and restorative. And I want to remind all of us that our body holds so much wisdom, so many memories. And I say this because the first night I was here, I slept through the night, and I can't remember the last time I did that. And this tension, tightness in my shoulder that I've been experiencing for over the past few months, it's gone. I don't feel it. So it's just as if my body knew that it was time to rest and relax, and it just released all of the tension and all of the stress that I've been holding on to. So it's been really nice. My body feels really open, and I feel very relaxed, which is just a reminder for me and for anybody else who needs it, that it's so important to take that time for yourself. Just unwind, unplug. And that's another thing. I'm not checking social media, I'm not on email, and I'm not really checking text messages as well. So um, letting all that go. But today's movement is to help stretch out the hamstrings and the calves. If you do a lot of walking, like I did this past weekend, this is a really good exercise, and it's very simple. It's Warrior One. So let me just adjust my camera to so you can see my body. Let's just ground ourselves first before we go into Warrior One. Just roll your shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath and release. Okay, now step your front foot forward. So your feet are on railroad tracks. We're coming into Warrior One, knee over ankle. And I'm sorry, you can't really see that here. Um, and then sweep your arms up as you inhale. And release. Settle into your hips, feeling your hips opening and that stretch in your hamstring and calves. You can bend back as much as you like. Just keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, step forward, and we'll do the other side. Step your back foot back. Sweep your arms up. Exhale. Fingertips pointing to the sky, reaching for the stars. And step forward. And that's it. And that is Warrior One. And I will see you next week. And thank you so much for joining me today. And remember to check into your body. Namaste.